Good afternoon, teacher. I explain review or page 72. In activity A, I listen to the conversations and select the statements that are true. Here is my explanation. 1. I choose he doesn't exercise regularly. I choose this because in the audio the person clearly says that he does not exercise often. He admits that he doesn't keep a regular exercise routine. And 2. She hardly ever goes swimming. I select this because the woman mentions that she almost never goes swimming. That means it is sometimes she rarely goes. And 3. He can't eat everything he wants. I choose this because the speaker says he does not worry about calories. He believes he can't eat whatever he wants without restriction. And 4. Dave Haley can't see. I marked this one because the audio explains that Dave Haley is blind. So the true statement in this he cannot see. Activity B. Activities weekend. Why I wrote these sentences. In activity B, I needed to write sentences. Use scan to describe activities possibly in each place. Here is why I wrote them. In athletic field, I wrote sentences like I can play basketball or I can run in athletics competitions because athletic fields are designed for sport. The places usually have space and equipment for different types of games, so using can shows the ability or possibility in place. Uh, a gym, a gym I wrote sentences such I can use machines that exercise my muscle and I can use weight. At the park, I wrote sentences I can relax, I can have a picnic, parks are open, are for relaxing. And activity C In activity C, I changed age statement into a yes/no question. I did this because this exercise asks me to practice the correct structure of questions in English. For example, you have to go home early. Do you have to go home early? I added do at the beginning and used a question mark at the end. This shows I understand how to convert a statement in question. I did the same for the sentences. The purpose is to practice grammar, especially for forming questions correctly into present tenses. Activity D. In activity D, I used real information for my life and respond using the simple present and present continuous, just like this introduction says. For example, when I answer how often I go to English class, I use the simple present because it are routines. Uh, it is a routine. I use the simple present because it's a routine. When I answer that I am going this weekend, I use the present continuous. I'm going to do my cycles homework this weekend. I choose this answer because they are true for me and they fit the grammar that the exercise requires. Final conclusion for my video. This page helps practice listening comprehensions. You understand true statements, expressing abilities we can forming yes/no question, and giving personal information using the correct tenses. That is why I selected each answer and wrote 8 sentences the while I did. Thank you.